Hey guys, this is LJ Mast, and I'm going to give you a tour of my new bathroom that I spent about 5 months working on, and some special projects that went along with it that took a lot of time. The bathroom itself wasn't too bad, it was some of those cabinetry work that I did. Anyways, I'm going to switch this around and we'll take a look at it. At the end of this portion of the video, I will be showing a slideshow of pictures and some short videos that will show what this used to look like and compare it to what we did now and some of the work I had to do. I want to point out on the side here this little cabinet on the side, and also the corner cabinet. I used the lathe wood that was behind the old plasters. This is about a 105-year-old house, and it's the original wood, and I went ahead and recovered it and turned it into a corner cabinet. I'll show you inside here. So when you reach in, lights up. Sometimes it's not as good as it should. There we go. So a lot of space in what used to just be a corner. And the tricky part here was making sure that this door on the bottom would miss the sink and the toilet. So we had to replace the window, redo the wiring, because there was a lot of old knob and tube wiring that went through here, and it was quite the project. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it used to look like and some of what I did. I'm not going to try to teach you how to make a corner cabinet, but I'm going to show you some of the steps involved. And go ahead and sign off here. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe, like, and comment. Light bulb.